Ready to go? Ready. It's a big day. It's a big day. We got the Legends shirt on. Boom. Who's this guy? Little Dustin Williams. Oh, we got the TJ Hunt. I don't know if we can see that. With the TJ Hunt representing. That's what we're going to do. We're going to a drift event, local drift event, competition. It's not an event, we go to events once in a while, but competition here in Mission. Luna's on the counter. Yeah. She should not be on the counter. Get off of there, butthead. This is our first drift event, competition.
As husband and wife.
As husband and wife, I was gonna say. Beat me to it. Let's get going. Let's go take the BMW. It's kind of nice out. Do we need anything else?
Oh, I need my sunglasses from the truck.
Oh, so do I actually. Good call. Good call on that. Okay, let's get going. All right, we're here. Never vlog in front of people.
You should have wore your red shirt because I can't find you.
Why does everybody wear all black? I don't know. It's a car community thing. Oh, that's sick. You see a lot of nice cars here. Practice right now, but guys are doing pretty good. Been a few almost accidents, one nice save.
That's great.
They're pretty good. Oh, are they? Did they actually? Did somebody like talk to you about it?
Talk to me.
Did they actually? Nice. That's amazing.
And they kept it clean though, but definitely one wheel on the dirt. We are -2 clipping joints.
That's a Chelsea Denofa lookalike.
Once more.
There he is.
Sick. You've been here for a while, I guess, eh?
A couple hours, yeah. It's pretty sick. Here we go. Getting resettled into the second outer zone. Old bank straight in there for Chris Brannick, and Galen Norman cuts it down. Looks like he didn't have anywhere to go there momentarily. Really strong.
Snapped a tire rod.
Have it coming into the course nice and strong. Goodhue has to check up behind him, reinitiates there, and way off the track goes Hyving. Oh, Goodhue gets in front of him, and oh my God, we're off to the races, and we're off to the microphone stand, taking out everything. Ah, man.
Hard there. Friggin' yard sale, man.
So we did.
You see you on the RX-8? Sick. You nervous?
Yeah. It's me.
There's a little shake there. There's a little shake. Yeah. How you feeling? Okay.
Hello, how are you?
Chelsea, we're freshly married, so you gotta freak the shit out of her, okay?
Okay. Can do. And also, I've never driven this track, so we're set up for some fun regardless. He's one of our drivers in our series in Edmonton.
How was it?
Didn't die.
That was awesome.
I thought I was gonna throw up in the warm-up.
How'd she do, Chelsea?
Oh, it wasn't a bad first lap. We got some smoke and did some ripping for sure.
She didn't scream?
No, she was quiet. She was more like...
I'm just happy she didn't like grab your arm or something like that.
No, you did good. You did good.
It's a good rip, man.
I'm just glad we made it through the first lap.
Now he says it, eh? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Better or worse?
It was better.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. In awe.
He's gonna hit the wall. He's gonna hit the wall.
You did good though. It was good.
Yeah.
You good?
So we literally forgot to film an outro for this video. We had so much fun at Spec D that we just got wrapped up in all the excitement and forgot to film an outro. So I'm doing one right now, literally editing the video. Nicole had a ton of fun riding along with Chelsea Denofa. Still can't believe she got to do that. It was an unreal, super surreal moment. She's now pumped about drifting. We've been talking about it ever since. It's been a little while since we actually filmed all this content, so you're seeing me way in the future now. But yeah, super glad she got to go for a ride along. She's now pumped. She wants to get a car of her own, so it did exactly what it needed to do. I'm so happy about that. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button for this video, and hit the bell for notifications so you can follow along and see videos as they get posted. I'm gonna try and get you guys a lot more consistent content, so look forward to that in the future, and we'll get out on the track soon, hopefully. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. Don't forget to get out there and do something fun, and always be yourself. Peace.